eating a beer plate from last night. Unfortunately, didn't turn up trying to have a pickle there. Going to make a Chris to be rude, but he's here now. Rob Andrew, obviously, and Rob, you've been, big fan of the championship. What did you make of that first 15?
Yeah, no, I'm a big fan. There's a lot of good young players coming through the system. I think perhaps one of the oldest ones is the championship. We're very pleased. It's been a long relationship, hasn't it, right from the start of professional rugby, really, and it's not just about the senior or Meerkats or Graham Roundtree, all the players. This is we're in a great place a year out from the World Cup. We've got a brilliant.
He only really likes it when I'm there.
Well, we're top three sides of the world. We sneaked into top three through not playing.
Already the instinct to sit up and to dig is kicking in.
We will really know where we are and we can't wait to get started next Saturday.
Thanks so much. After the break, second half.
You actually see it.
Tentative excitement. They're just wanting to get out, wanting to see the big world.
I know my girlfriend said that she could watch over her eyes as did her mum.
So different. Everything they've known has been down inside that burrow before now.
Are you sitting comfortably?
This is my chance to really join the team.
He knows he's
I
seen
want
it.
this generation of Meerkats to be as familiar with me as they are with the son they're working on.
Leave the kids.
Don't tell him to go to the screen, and he went. He's refusing to move.
One pup already stands out from the crowd. He's a young male. He's bolder, more inquisitive than his brothers and sisters. Little Arnie.
You can still hear it, so.
What an experience.